Welcome to After Climb. This morning I'm going to do a really quick demonstration of a new feature in our purchase order program that allows you to do multiple purchase orders at the same time for different vendors, as well as, and for those of you who can buy different items from different vendors, actually run one calculation that then allows you to select the lowest price vendor. So let's just see how this works. So I'm going to go to purchase order. And most of you are used to, at this point, selecting a vendor, but you'll notice right here it says any vendor. So I'm going to go any vendor and just click OK. Now I'm going to go to calculate order. I'm going to do new calculation. And in this case, I'm going to go do min max. And I'm going to do pretty much the same thing that I would always do. I'm going to skip phase out items, going to skip inactive items. I don't want to look at items where there's zero quantity suggested. And in this case, I'm just going to go selected fine lines to speed up the process. You may choose to do that. You may go by department. You may just not do any of those things and just do everything at once. That's up to you. But I'm going to go ahead and click next here. It'll run through the calculation. And now I see all the items. I'm going to click next to add them into my purchase order. And here you see that there's one in red. That means that this item can be ordered from multiple vendors. And so I'm going to now go to functions, and I'm going to tell it to assign the lowest cost vendor to all items. It's done that, and as the red goes away, and that's how you'll know. And now we go create POs over here. This is something new you haven't seen. And now you'll see that it's going to create one purchase order for vendor CAR, and it's the Tylenol, and here's the cost. And then there's another vendor called WH, and it's going to create all these other items are going to be sent off to that. And then you go finalize, generate. I'll preview this one. So here's the first order, and it's 2 pages, and then close that one. And here's the second order. Finalize and generate that. And here's the second order. Okay, obviously you're going to have more items and so forth, but just to see how this works, for those of you who order from multiple vendors, this really can be helpful. And that is it for my demo. Hope this is helpful for you, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.